Hello everyone. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. If you get any value out of what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you'd give me a thumbs up right down there and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a quilter's knot. When you cut your thread from the end of the spool, this is the end that you want. The end comes from the spool. You thread that end into your needle, draw it down. Now, next you take your thread and you lay it alongside your needle, grab a hold of it with your thumb, and then you wind the thread 3 times around. Once, twice, 3 times. Grab it on with your hand there, other hand, and you draw it up through the thread. The reason for doing this with the knot on the spool end is that the way the thread is manufactured, the twist that it has, if you put the knot on that end, you will have less problem with twisting when you're hand sewing. There's your knot.